Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTube World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check packages version in Jupyter Interactive Computing Environment with Python. So what is this? This is the check packages. The package has been here or not. So how? Let's go to the platform. So here I can check from the thing. This is the print version. I can check as well as in this page. How? Here the things pip show num5. Now I will do the pandas. See, it's name pandas version. See the same protocol. So I can check any kinds of thing from the pip show pandas or pip show. Let's check again the pip show list. Then what has been here reveal here list. Hopefully there is the packages not found in this list, this thing. So in this way you can do these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.